Have you ever pondered the profound power of sound and how it can stir emotions, evoke memories, and even alter the very state of our mind and body? This question may seem abstract, but the truth it holds is far from it. Today, we dive into the intriguing world of a sound that has been resonating through the ages, the sound we know as Om. Rooted deep in ancient Indian spirituality, Om is a sacred syllable that exists not just as a sound, but as an embodiment of the universe itself. It is believed to be the primordial sound, the first echo of creation, and the vibration that continues to reverberate through all existence. To understand the source of Om, we must journey back to the ancient scriptures of India, the Upanishads. These timeless texts speak of Om as the essence of the ultimate reality, the fabric of existence, and the cosmic truth. The Upanishads describe Om as the sound that represents Brahman, the absolute, the ultimate power beyond comprehension. The significance of Om is multi-layered. At its simplest, it is a three-part sound. A-U-M. The A represents the waking state, the U symbolizes the dream state, and the M stands for deep sleep. The silence that follows is the fourth state, the state of pure consciousness. Chanting Om is not about religion or dogma. It's about tapping into a universal vibration, a sound that reverberates within every cell of our being. It is about aligning ourselves with the cosmic rhythm, and in doing so, finding a sense of peace and balance. The effects of chanting Om are profound. It slows down the nervous system, promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and enhances overall well-being. It fosters a sense of connection, not just to ourselves, but to the world around us. It is a sound that has the power to tune us into the rhythm of the universe, and in doing so, help us understand our place within it. In conclusion, the sound Om is not just a syllable, but a symphony of the universe. It is a sound that has resonated through the ages, a sound that embodies the essence of existence. The act of chanting Om is a practice of tuning into this cosmic symphony, of aligning ourselves with the rhythm of the universe. It is a tool for healing, for transformation, and for connection. So as we navigate through the noise and chaos of life, let the sound of Om be a beacon guiding us towards peace, balance, and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos.